Hello guys, we will cover in this video how to reprint the sale receipt. Okay, you can see on the same point of sale screen reprint. This is enable now because as an admin I can print the receipt. Uh, if the user, if the cashier or the manager or any other salesman or whatever, he log in with the system, if he don't have access to reprint the sale receipt, this button will be disabled. Like you see here, employee discount, this is disabled right now. Okay, so if it is not enable, it's disable, mean you don't have the access to reprint the receipt. It's according to the company scenario that they want to allow to reprint the receipt or not. Let me show you how you can print the sale receipt again. You just press on this one and one pop-up window will open. Okay, this is the window, pop-up window. Okay, now from here you can query this one. Okay, enter a query with the F11. I'm in the query mode now. Okay, and just press Control F11 again. Okay, this is the standard command for the system. F11 to enter in the query mode and Control F11 to execute the query again. Okay, now I can see all the sale receipt here related to my store only. Okay, so whatever sale receipt you want to print, okay, you can select that one. Okay, and you can print the receipt. Okay, now you want for particular day or you want a return receipt or sale receipt. Okay, you can again press F11. You can select the sale type, sale receipt or the POS sales return. Okay, or if you know the customer ID, or if you know the cashier. Okay, or if you know the date, you can select the date. Okay, let's say I want to select the date. Today is 19/01/2015. Okay, so if I select this one and Control F11, I will find all the receipt for today. Okay, to make sure that you will get the result, okay, F11 to enter in the query mode, and again you need to enter 2% on any fields. Then you type today date 01/9/2000, this is 19/1/2015, and then press Control F11. So I see what are the receipt done today. So any receipt I want, I can select. Here you will see the total value, number of item exist in this receipt, total discount given on that receipt, and what is the net value, and you can reprint. Again, this reprint option is only available if you have the access to reprint. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.